Welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, we are going to talk about random numbers. So we did practice some numbers with the RAND function. Today, I'm going to talk about RANDBETWEEN, a very restricted function to give you a random number list between a certain range. So for example, if I want a random number sequence from 1 to 1000, I should be able to get that from my Excel spreadsheet. It's very easy. You can change the bracket as well. So I'll move on to my spreadsheet where you can see a lot of empty cells. We'll fill it, for example, with rand function. So is equal to RAND, the same, and BETWEEN, RANDBETWEEN. The moment you will start, it will say, what is the bottom number? I'll say 1. And what is the top number? I'll say 1000. And I'll close it. So it will give me a random number in the bracket of 1 to 1000. I can apply the same on this whole, let's say, table is equal to RANDBETWEEN and then 1 to 1000 and close the function and press Ctrl E. So all of the table is filled with some random numbers there. It will obviously refresh as well. If you press the refresh button, and it will get, double click on it. If you go to the data and refresh all, or if you press, let's say, F2, enter, you see the numbers are refreshed. So any feature can help you to refresh the numbers in your database. So you can change the series, and you can go from 1000 to 100,000 or 1 million, and Control Enter, and you will get a broader range of numbers here. So RANDBETWEEN is the function you can use to get multiple numbers randomly. For any feature, you can use it. All the best, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to speak to you again soon. Till then, don't forget to write the comment in the comment section and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regularly notifications from my new videos.